Civic. I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Hey, what's up? It's your boy, and you're back again with another video, man, right over here at LS Ride 254, man. As you can see, I'm sitting here with Dolores behind me, and at the date of this recording, which is June 2nd. 20 days exactly to Whipfest. 20. Texas Whipfest 2K24, or whatever you want to call it. I believe this year's slogan is the Big Showdown, or the show out. That's what it is. So Dolores got a little ways to go. I just want to make this video and be up straight and honest with y'all and let y'all know we're gonna do everything we can to get the car ready. Like for the next 20 days, we will be doing nothing but fooling with the car. Like, I'm gonna really buckle down, and it's crunch time. Even though it shouldn't have to be crunch time, it's crunch time. So I'm gonna leave the bike alone, focus on the car, get the car ready so that it's ready to go for Texas Whipfest in exactly 20 days. Yeah, that's pretty much the biggest thing I had. I just want to let y'all know that it's game time, and we're finna get busy. Looking or glancing over at my list for Dolores, the only thing that we are actively missing is the console, which the console was never a game or was never a showstopper. And honestly, I wasn't planning on having it by the time of the car show or for the show anyway. The Dakota dash got installed. Y'all seen that. Y'all know I do have a Tierra grill, the vents, the door seals, all good. Music, we didn't get like our bumpy bumps hooked up, but we did get all the inside speakers replaced, so it does sound a little bit better. And that was to be done by May 2024, so I would say pretty good. The only thing that's really lacking is the tune, and I mean, for the most part, we can kind of ride the shit through the neighborhood around. Oh, so we did get our license plate. We got the car registered as an antique. Antique vehicles in Texas got to be at least 25 years old to be an antique. So we did get those installed, or we did get that applied for. We got our hard plate in, so we good to go on the plate to go to the show, local show, whatever. Yeah, man. I mean, other than that, it wasn't a whole lot more. I mean, in the ultimate end game, you know, we gonna ride the stocks or the hubs, or eventually we gonna get tires. We gonna get some tires for them swangers and put the swangers back on. No, I'm not gonna buy them expensive ass Vos because the car don't even get rolled like that. Fight me in the comments. I don't care. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That's it for Dolores, man. Just like I said, getting her back together, getting the tune done. There's some final things we gotta get done with the AC, like get the AC charged up. I think it's still a leak somewhere. I'm still trying to figure it out. It's really too hot for that shit. But trying to make sure that, you know, our blower motor and, you know, all the components of the AC system is working like they're supposed to. Which is something that I know is not 100%, but it wasn't, like I said, it's not a deal breaker. My two front windows do go down, so roll the windows down. You know what I'm saying? We ain't bougie with it. We ain't gotta have the AC but baby's ready to pull out. So AC not gonna stop us. Lord knows it's gonna be hot as hell out there, but that's why we sit in the truck. Yeah. So we just, like I said, a couple other things. Like I gotta finish wiring up the fans. After we wire up the fans, then it should be good to go there. So like under the hood, like try to finish up the AC stuff, wire up the fans, and then move inside, finish putting everything back together, get a good vacuum. I was gonna buy this shampoo machine thing, but I don't know yet. So for right now, we're just gonna vacuum it out real good, get it looking good, because we was able to get a lot of them boxes of stuff that we were not using and getting them discarded. But yeah, man. Dolores is almost ready to step out. And like I said, the Tiara, that's bolt-on shit, man. The vents, door seals, that's all stuff that can be done just like that, so that I'm not worried about. So the biggest thing is, like I said, is wiring up the fans, then getting back on the tune, and then going from there. So make sure y'all tuning in. Like I said, I'm gonna try to keep these videos coming. Bam, bam, bam. 20 days worth of content all the way to Whipfest. And then, yeah, basically what it is. So, appreciate y'all tapping in, man. Continue to watch the channel, support the channel, share the videos. Watch the older videos, you know what I'm saying? Watch the ads, you know what I'm saying? All that shit come back to the channel so we can go ahead and get things complete. After Whipfest, I feel like we need to get on this engine, the backup engine that we was getting ready to build for the C10. That way I can kind of go ahead and get that rolling and get that, I will, but I won't say out the way. You know what I'm saying? So we can get that out the way. And then, that's pretty much it. And then badass yellow boy. Looks like it was just maintenance. A grill, so we still need to get a grill for that, so that we can make his grill not look like he's snagging tooth. The rear end is already done. We got the 373s installed. And then going from there. So, as always, it's a list, it's things to do. The bike keep hopping in the way, kind of, but we keeping the content coming in. Like I said, a lot of stuff that I've been bought for the box, like it's stuff that I've been and purchased, just had installed, and going from there. So I appreciate everybody's patience as we gear up, and the video's kind of been slower, but more than usual. So, but yeah, I just recorded as it come, man. I don't force no content. It's real, it's raw, it's authentic, and that's how we doing it. So this has been your update. 20 days of Whipfest. Let's go. So remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.